Hey friends, I just got a Gobble box in the mail today. Thought I'd share what's inside. Here's a list of things that it may include. So let's take a look. Alright, let's check out what's inside. First thing up is we have some bread with goat cheese spread. That looks delicious. Next we have a sun-dried tomato pesto lasagna rolls. That's fun. Teriyaki pineapple salmon. That looks absolutely delicious. I'm super excited to try these things out. And the last one is the chicken fettuccine alfredo. I don't know if they will look quite as good when I make them, but I'm sure they will taste fabulous. And let's see what's in here. The meats. So we have a salmon fillets, chicken breast, lasagna cheese roll-ups, and some desserts. It looks like cookies. Chocolate chip cookie dough. Well, that just looks fabulous. I'm so excited to try these things out from Gobble.